Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel and thank you for checking out this video. For our tutorial today, we will create this donut shape building that you are seeing by using a massing or the in-place mass function in Revit. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more future tutorials. Thank you. On our Level 1 drawing area, let's start by adding a reference plane. Under the Architecture tab, and on the Work Plane panel, select the reference plane icon, and draw on our plan. Then select the reference plane that was created, and on the Properties, let's add a name, and we call this as Plane 1. Then next is we are going to add a section. Then right-click on it, and choose Go to View. On the section view, let's add more levels. What we do is copy the levels as many as we want. After we have the levels, we can start to create our massing. So we go to the Massing and Site tab, and select the In-Place Mass icon. Just select OK, but it's also fine if you want to add a specific name to your mass. Then we select the Circle Draw tool. On the Work Plane dialog box, we are going to look for the reference plane that we have created and name as Plane 1. Then hit OK. Then let's draw the circle, and try to position that all our levels are within the circle. Then let's use the Spline Through Points tool, and trace the circle line that we created. Then after that, we can delete the circle line. Select the point to activate the plane where we can draw the profile. Let's draw a circle as a profile. Then let's select the other point to activate the plane. Then let's use the ellipse as a profile on the other end. Then after that, let's select the circle, the spline and the ellipse, then select the Create Form icon above. So now we have our donut shape massing. Then next, we go to the section. Then on the section view, let's select the rectangle tool from the draw panel, then let's draw a rectangle line below the level 1. Then let's go to the 3D view. Select the rectangle line, then select the drop-down button of the Create Form. Then choose Void Form. We are going to remove the lower part of the donut using the Void Form. Select the surface of the void, then use the UCS to drag the surface and make sure it cuts the lower part of the donut massing. Let's go back to the section view, and you will see that we don't have the lower part already. Then let's finish mass. So currently we have more space at the upper part, let's add more levels to maximize the space above. Then after that, let's go back to the 3D view. Let's select the massing, then select the Mass Floors icon above. Then the list of floors that we have added on the section will appear. Next we select all the floors. Then hit OK. So now we have our mass floors per level. Let's add the floor plans just to see how it would look like on Plan View. Under the View tab, select Floor Plan. Then select all the levels. Then OK. So all the levels will be added on our project browser. So if we go to these plans, we can see all the different plan profiles for every level. Then next we add the floor element. Under Massing and Site tab, select Floor by Face. So when we use window selection, it will only select the mass floor. Then after that, select the Create Floor icon above. So if we zoom in, floors are created according to the shape of the mass floors. In section we are going to see the thickness of the floors also. Then next we use the curtain system, then select our donut shape massing. Then select Create System. So as you see, our curtain system is segmented. To adjust this, select the curtain system. Then change the number under the Properties palette. You can adjust according to how many segments you want. Then let's add mullions. Select the curtain system. Select Edit Type and add the mullions on Grid 1 and Grid 2. Let's cut some sections on 3D view just to check how it would look like. Check the section box under Properties palette. Using the section box, you can play around and just drag the points to cut through the building. You can also turn off the mask from the visibility graphics once you are done creating the floors and the curtain system. Then using this model, you can now create a perspective and other visuals for your initial design presentations. You can use rendering softwares like Enscape or Lumion and enhance with Photoshop or any other software also. What we did here is just a simple overlay into a photo and have done some simple editing and no rendering done on this and just for the purpose of this tutorial. Alright, that's it for now. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial and hope to see you again in the next one. Thank you for watching.